So now that I've created a project in my NoodleTools dashboard, I'm now going to try to share it with a teacher inbox or with a peer in a group collaborative project. So I'm going to click up to the project and I'm going to see a plus sign and I'm going to click on it and it's going to open up this drop down menu. And you can see I share it with an inbox. I could do it with a student collaboration share or I can make it public view. For this project, I'm going to share it with a teacher. So the teacher may give you a name for their project. So I'm going to look for my teacher's last name. And you're going to notice that Mrs. Harani has two inboxes. And I want to make sure that I'm sharing the project with the right class. So she has labeled her inboxes by period and class. So that's something to think about. All I would do is click on it and then it would then share it with that teacher. So that's how to share a project with a inbox with a teacher. Obviously, I'll hit done once I put the teacher name in there. If I want to add it with a student collaborator, I hit add student. And I'm going to put in their Wilton account. So I'm going to share it with Ms. Peterson. And I'm going to give her full collaboration rights, not just a peer review, because she's going to help me build a works cited page. I'm going to hit done. And you're going to notice that it was just shared with Ms. Peterson. I can see her email, and it's my account. And you're going to share it with obviously more than one other student or peer in your group. All right? So that's how to share a project with your teacher and with your student peer group.